Hello and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Doordash we are unable to charge your card problem. So first of all, you can do the simple thing. You can open your Doordash account and you can try to delete your current payment method and add it again, guys. So you need to click your profile icon in the top right, go to the payment methods. Here you need to choose your current payment method and delete it, and then add payment method again, guys. So this might help you. If you still get this error, you can do another thing. You can make sure that you have got the latest version of your Doordash app. So you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store. It depends which phone you are using. In the search, you need to type Doordash and search for it. And as you can see, guys, I'm not using the latest version because I see this blue update button right here. So I need to click the update button and it will install the latest version of the Doordash. And this is another way how to fix this problem. So if there is still a problem, you can do last thing, guys. You can just click the uninstall button from here, or just go to your mobile phone menu and uninstall the Doordash app. Then you need to go back to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Doordash and click the install button and reinstall your Doordash on your mobile phone. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.